In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices from an Excel CSV file into QuickBooks Online Advanced, plus Essentials or Start. If you need to bring invoice data into QuickBooks quickly and accurately, using a CSV file is a simple and efficient option. Before you begin the import process, the most important thing is making sure your spreadsheet is properly prepared. Your Excel spreadsheet needs to be saved as a CSV file, since that is the format QuickBooks uses for this type of import. When you set up your file, make sure it includes the required columns. The mandatory fields are invoice number, customer, invoice date, due date, item name, and item amount. These columns give QuickBooks the key information it needs to create each invoice correctly. It's a good idea to double-check your formatting before uploading, especially date fields and amounts, so the import goes smoothly and you avoid errors later. Once your CSV file is ready, sign in to QuickBooks Online and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon to open the menu. From there, select Import Data. This section is where QuickBooks lets you bring in different types of records from external files. Next, choose Invoices from the list of available import options. After that, click Import to begin the process. You'll then be prompted to select your file, so locate the CSV file you prepared earlier and upload it into QuickBooks. After the upload, QuickBooks will ask you to map the fields. This step is very important because it tells the system which column in your CSV matches each invoice field in QuickBooks. For example, you'll match your invoice number column to the invoice number field, your customer column to the customer field, and so on. Take your time here and make sure each field is connected properly. Accurate mapping helps prevent missing information and ensures your invoices are imported exactly as expected. Once the mapping is complete, review everything one last time and continue. QuickBooks will process the file and import your invoices. After that, your invoice data should be available in your QuickBooks account. As a final tip, if something doesn't look right after the import, go back and check the CSV formatting and field mapping first, since those are usually the most common causes of issues. With the file prepared correctly and the fields mapped properly, importing invoices into QuickBooks Online can be a fast and reliable part of your workflow. That's it for this tutorial.